English-Bosnian future, to be, I will be.
Ja ću biti.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more free resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we're mastering the English-Bosnian future of to be, starting with I will be.
Ja ću biti.
Warm up your smile and your tongue, nothing bites in.
Biti.
Accept how sharp your skills will be. Your goal today. You'll learn to recognize and say every future form fast and with confidence. By the end, you'll hear a cue like, they will be, answer instantly with.
Oni će biti.
And keep a cool rhythm doing it. Plus, you'll need a quick dialogue and a mini quiz to lock it in. Forms at a glance. Echo after me and let the rhythm do the work. I will be.
Ja ću biti.
You, sing, will be.
Ti ćeš biti.
He will be.
On će biti.
She will be.
Ona će biti.
It will be.
Biće.
We will be.
Mi ćemo biti.
You, plural, will be.
Vi ćete biti.
They will be.
Oni će biti.
Mini dialogue. Listen in and repeat the Bosnian parts out loud. You, at 8.
Ja ću biti.
There. Friend, relax.
Ti ćeš biti.
Amazing. Narrator, if Marco finds parking.
On će biti.
On time. Team lead, Anna texted.
Ona će biti.
5 minutes late. Weather app.
Biće.
Sunny. You too.
Mi ćemo biti.
Ready. Coach to your group.
Vi ćete biti.
On stage soon. Crowd forecast.
Oni će biti.
Loud. Drills. Echo after me. Quick call and response. Say it before I do. Say, they will be. Answer.
Oni će biti.
Say, we will be. Answer.
Mi ćemo biti.
Say, it will be. Answer.
Biće.
Speed round, you, sing, will be.
Ti ćeš biti.
Victory lap, you, plural, will be.
Vi ćete biti.
Quick quiz. No pressure, just play along and speak out loud. True or false?
Ja ću biti.
Means, I will be. True. Multiple choice. Which is, she will be. A.
Ona će biti.
B.
On će biti.
Answer. A. Say the Bosnian for, they will be.
Oni će biti.
Translate the key phrase only, we will be.
Mi ćemo biti.
Culture tip. Sound natural like a local. In everyday Bosnian, you'll hear both the separate future with
Će biti.
like
On će biti.
and the short form
Biće.
for it will be. Quick hack. If the subject is it,
Biće.
is super common in forecasts, schedules, and promises, like
Biće.
super. Wrap up and thanks. Nice work, you just leveled up your future tense. Review the 8 forms once more.
Ja ću biti. Ti ćeš biti. On će biti. Ona će biti. Biće. Mi ćemo biti. Vi ćete biti. Oni će biti.
And sprinkle them into your day. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing a minute here and there, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons and freebies from Synapse Lingo. See you next time.